I'm Jim Kelly, and I wanted to do a second little video on the Mobius Band because I think its properties are so strange that it deserves it. My first demonstration, I'd like to take 3 strips of paper, a colored one in the middle, put them together. Give them a half turn twist and put the ends together, and then tape each of the bands together. When I do that, this is what I get. And what I'd like you to notice here is that the pink one completely separates the 2 white ones. So if you look at the pink all the way around, it's in between the white ones, and there's no place that the white ones touch. So, if I take these clips off, maybe you can see it a little bit better, but the pink one is completely separating the 2 whites. And what's surprising about this is the white ones are connected. I think that's quite surprising. For my second demonstration, I'm going to take this loop of paper and I'm going to tell you that I can tie a square knot without cutting the loop in 2. So I'm going to take this paper and tie it in a square knot. Do you think that's possible? So here's how it's done. This is not a Mobius band, but a band with 3 half turns. So the Mobius band has 1 half turn before you tape it. This one has 3. And that gives it still a one-sided sheet of paper and a one-edged sheet of paper. So it's very similar to the Mobius band, and therefore it has some surprising qualities to it, just like the Mobius band does. But it's different. When we cut the Mobius band in 2, it just turns into a single loop. When we cut this one in 2, it turns into a single loop with the knot that I promised. For a final demonstration, take a look at this unusual loop of paper. There is a very strange cut in it. If you take a close look at that, that tab was cut out of that band of paper, but how was it cut? It looks like an impossible cut. And the question is this a Mobius band? It does not appear to be one, because it looks like there's an edge on top and an edge on the bottom. But in effect, there's only one edge. If you follow the top edge around, it drops down here, goes over here, goes over here, drops down and becomes the bottom edge. So it is a single-edged piece of paper. How about the sides? If you follow that inside around here, it comes here, it's still here, it comes over here, it goes up here and becomes the outside. So it is only one-sided, and it is only one-edged, and it is a Mobius band. You might want to try to make that cut yourself. It's kind of interesting to see how it comes about. Thank you very much.